Hello everyone and welcome back to the Animal Sciences channel. In this video we will learn how to use tapply function in R. Tapply function is used to apply a function to data separated by factors. First we will load sheep data using read.csv function and store it into an object d1. The codes and data used in this video can be downloaded using the links in the description. After loading this data, next we will check the structure of data using str function. So this data has 200 observations on each of 9 variables. The syntax of tapply function looks like this. Here the x is an object or variable we want to apply function. Index is one or more factor or grouping variables with same length of x. For example, it may be a gender variable with two levels like male and female. Fun is the function we want to apply, for example, mean and ... In our data, the BWT variable stands for birth weight of lambs and gender variable is a factor with male and female values. We can use tapply function to get the mean birth weight of males and females. To do so, type tapply and within this function add a variable on which we want to apply mean function, that is BWT. Next we will mention the factor variable, that is gender. The function here we will use is mean. So run the code. Here you can see the mean birth weight of females is 3.526 and the mean birth weight of males is 3.616. You can also get minimum birth weight for males and females by changing the function argument to min. Similarly, you can also get median of males and females by changing function to median. We can also use multiple factor variables for tapply function. For example, in our data, the first variable season represents season of birth of lambs. So let's check the mean values of male and female lambs born in different seasons. Here in this code, we will add an extra argument list and within list add two variables season and gender. Run the code. So this time results are very interesting. You can see here the mean birth weight of males and females born in 4 different seasons. The females born in autumn had mean birth weight 3.746 and the males born in the same season had birth weight 3.56 kg. You can also apply some other functions on this data using tapply. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it and subscribe to this channel.